Today we're starting right here in Camp North End because location matters, and the home I'm about to show you is only about 5 minutes away. With over 70 acres of premier space, here you will find restaurants, boutiques, small businesses, all owned by local Charlotte natives. So if you're looking for a third space with community and connection, you will find it all right here. Welcome to Goodwin Custom Homes' newest duplex in downtown Charlotte. This is 1311 Condon Street. Come and let's take a look inside. Now this is where luxury and customization blends together. You have these lovely accent walls, and right out of the garage, you have this beautiful mud room. So convenient because you can just drop off your items right when you come from the garage. And this is your main living space here. So you have an open concept floor plan, these nice big sliding glass doors, bunch of natural light coming in. Then you have custom fireplace with the cedar wood mantle. Isn't this lovely, guys? That opens, flows right into your kitchen. You have your gas range. And check this out. Soft closed cabinetry. Did you hear anything? Because I didn't. And check this out. You have a custom pantry. Have your microwave inside the pantry. So, sometimes we want to hide this from the guests, right? So put it in the pantry, close the door. I want to show you upstairs. So let's head that way. Okay, so now that we are upstairs, I would love to show you the primary suite. Welcome to your primary suite. As you would see, we have natural light just flowing in. But one thing that I love about this primary suite is you have not one, but two custom walk-in closets. One to my left. And then I will show you the other one later, but come with me. Let me show you the oasis. This primary bathroom is to die for. You have dual vanities. You have your soaker tub, this custom, beautiful shower, the towel to the ceiling. You have your separate water room. And remember that second closet that I was telling you about? Here we are, your second custom walk-in closet. But this one, I have a little secret. This is really where luxury meets convenience, because check this out. You have your laundry room directly outside of that second custom walk-in closet. So again, luxury meets convenient. And once you step outside the laundry room, you have your other secondary bedrooms as well as another full bath. So come and let me show you the other bedrooms in this home. Both secondary bedrooms, they're a nice size. You have your closet space. All of the closets are kind of have your custom shelving. Just follow me. And this is the third bedroom. And what I like about this bedroom, it is connected to your secondary bathroom. So again, you have your dual vanity, and then you have the tub shower combo. Again, towel to ceiling. Oh, and then this space here, nice split flex space. You can use this. You can put a desk here. You can do whatever you feel you need to do in this space. So if you're looking for an investment property, start a home, or looking to relocate to the Charlotte, North Carolina area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business.